Grid lines are important on any camera. With the help of the grid lines, you can apply the rule of third on any camera. So in this video, let's have a look on how to enable the grid lines on your iPhone camera. With that being said, let's begin. The very first step is to open the settings on your iPhone. Now once you open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and look for camera. So once you find the camera options, just click on that. Now scroll down and here you will see an option of grid. You just have to enable it. So I have already enabled the grid options. Now you will see a grid on your iPhone camera. So this is how you enable the grid on your iPhone camera. So that's it about this video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.